The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management Agency. A large fissure has opened up in the Watts neighborhood in Los Angeles. There has been unconfirmed reports of extreme violence coming in from the area. Emergency management officials with Los Angeles County have confirmed heavy damage to the Watts neighborhood. Power outages have taken place all over Los Angeles County. There have been no reported casualties as of yet. Due to the threat that the situation poses, authorities have shut off all gas lines in the city. Civilians in the Watts neighborhood and areas nearby will evacuate the area. Do not remain in the area until it has been deemed safe by the proper authorities. Stay tuned to your preferred media outlets for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management Agency and the California State Police Department. Extremely gruesome murders have taken place in the Watts neighborhood and surrounding areas. There have also been messages tagged on walls claiming that the armies of hell will march across the earth and kill unbelievers. Suspicious activity has also been confirmed to be taking place at the Union Aerospace Corporation facility on Mars. The nature of this activity is unknown. Dr. Samuel Hayden has refused to comment on the situation. You are advised to remain indoors at this time. Close and lock all windows. Remain calm. Get a firearm or blunt object. However, you should only use weapons as a last resort. Updates will be given when available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. An unidentified disease is spreading in the Los Angeles area. The cause of the disease is unknown, but it is highly infectious. Symptoms of this disease include changes in eye color, discoloration of the veins, homicidal aggression, inability to speak and loss of rational thought. The first cases of this infection were confirmed to be centered in the Watts neighborhood. Outbreaks have been confirmed to have taken place at Union Aerospace Corporation offices across the West Coast, including Hawaii and Alaska. Military forces have been mobilized to contain the growing threat. This message will repeat. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States Geological Survey. A very large fissure has opened up in the northeastern United States. This fissure stretches from Augusta in Maine to New York City in New York State. This fissure is releasing an unidentified energy into the air. Those who live in areas by the fissure should evacuate the area immediately. Take non-perishable food, water and medical supplies when evacuating. Those who do not live near the fissure should remain indoors at this time. Gather enough essential supplies to last at least 72 hours. Authorities believe that this event may be related to the event in Los Angeles. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The unidentified disease has infected the following states: California, Oregon, Washington, Alaska, Hawaii, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico and Texas. People infected by the disease develop homicidally aggressive behaviors, insanity, vein discoloration and bleeding of the eyes. Reports of these infected people mutating into deadly creatures have come in from the affected areas. You are advised to remain indoors. Close and lock all entrances to your home or place of work. Close curtains or blinds on windows. Gather enough non-perishable food, water and medical supplies to last at least 3 weeks. Get a firearm and use it by all means. Stay tuned for updates on this deadly situation. This message will repeat. Please await further instructions. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States Department of Defense. It has been concluded that the fissures, the extreme violence and the unidentified disease are in fact related. The situation is confirmed to be demonic in nature and that multiple Union Aerospace Corporation employees are behind the ongoing crisis. The situation that took place on Mars is also the fault of the Union Aerospace Corporation. Employees of the company believe that the demonic invasion has been foretold in prophecy. The President has suspended the business license of the Union Aerospace Corporation. A national emergency is in effect. Demonic invasions are confirmed to be taking place in the following locations: Germany, France, Russia, Japan, Australia, Indonesia, South Africa, Israel and Palestine. Military and police forces are attempting to contain the demon hordes. You must remain indoors. Do not go outside for any reason. Get anything that can be used as a weapon. Gather enough non-perishable food, water and medical supplies to last at least 1 month. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operations Handbook for a national-level emergency. In a few moments, the President of the United States or a designated representative will speak over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. 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 Please stand by.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The following message is been given authorization to be aired by the President. I am Secretary of Defense Theo Belmont. Right now, I will be giving tragic news. The demonic outbreak triggered by the Union Aerospace Corporation is spreading uncontrollably. Large fissures have formed in Los Angeles, California, here in the U.S., Berlin, Germany, Tokyo, Japan, Tamsworth, New South Wales in Australia, Moscow, Russia, and Lima in Peru. These fissures are releasing demons into our world. As of now, 60% of human life has been eradicated by the armies of hell. Many parts of the world are no longer inhabitable. A super gore nest has been confirmed to have formed in Germany, which means it's a large demonic nest where demons grow. An evacuation of Earth has begun to save what's left of the human race from extinction. The Union Aerospace Corporation has been deemed a threat to all life and an enemy of the state. You are advised to head to the nearest evacuation ship for your safety. A global state of emergency has been declared. The militaries of the world are joining together to form a united front against the demon horde. That is all the information that's available for public disclosure. Thank you for your time.